We are going to do a basic homemade recipe for some apple cobbler for all of you people who love cobbler this time.
We're going to use 1 cup of self-rising flour.
How many pre-cut apples do we have there, Ma?
Oh, you got about 2 apples. Just 2 apples. If you like more apples, add another apple. So 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar. Mix that up a little bit. 1 cup. It's gonna be thin, but that's fine. It's gonna be more of a bready kind of apple cobbler. Kids like it. And I'm going to throw a little bit of cinnamon in here because we're using apples. Normally I make this with peaches. So I'm going to make it kind of like apple pie.
About what, a teaspoon of cinnamon?
Oh, not even a teaspoon. This is the pan I'm going to bake it in. And it is a 2-quart casserole dish. And I'm going to put a stick of margarine in there and melt it down. We've got our butter. It's fairly melted. Good enough. That's all we need. This is a quick and easy. We're going to pour the batter right into the butter. Now we're just going to add the apples in there. Spread them around. Don't got to be perfect. This is a quick and easy dessert. No stirring. That's it. You're going to put it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. At least until your top is nice golden brown.
Done, but hey, it's still apple cobbler. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe down below, comment, and bye.